In this video, I'll show you how to create Google Search ad campaigns in Hubspot so you can launch and manage ads directly from your dashboard. To do that, head over right here into your marketing and click on Ads. You should be able to see right here all of the ads that you can actually create. Now in this, we just need to connect our Google Ads account, so you can head over and then add it right here. If you can't find the option to connect your account, it means that you've already connected it. So once you've done that, click on to Create, then click on New Ad Campaign. Just locate right here the option for the Google Search ad. So you can choose which one you want. In some cases, this is the search ad right here, so click onto this. If it's grayed out, that means it's not yet connected, so you can head over and connect it by creating or linking a Google Ads search campaign first. Once you have done this, you can head over and continue to design your campaign. From there, just create the ad account or the campaign that you want added. That's it for creating Google Search ads in HubSpot. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more quick HubSpot tutorials.